Hi, welcome to Math Like TV. Ang video ito aking tuturo sa inyo kung paano mag-transform ng logarithmic equation to exponential form. Meaning of logarithm, a logarithm is the power to which a number must be raised in order to get some other number. Example, ang given natin ay ito. Ito yung 10, ito yung ating base. So, ito yung ating exponent, yung 2. Ito yung ating number. Okay? So, 10 raised to power of 2 equals 100. So, sa exponential form, ganito po siya. 10 yung base, yung exponent natin ay 2. Then, ang ating equals ay, number ay 100. Okay? So, power of 2, 10 times 10, that is 100. Okay. In the form of logarithm equation, example po, ito yung kanyang pattern. Log of A equals X. Sa exponential form, itong A, itong ating base. Okay? Yung X, itong ating exponent. Then, yung product niya, yung number. Okay? So, yan po ang kanyang exponential form. Ito yung logarithm equation. Ito yung exponential form. Okay, so number 1 example. Ang given, log 2 equals 4. Log 2 of 16 equals 4. So, ang pagbasa nito, log 2 of 16 equals 4. So, ngayon, sa exponential form, ang ating base ay yung 2. Okay? Then, ang ating exponent ay yung 4. Then, ang ating number ay 16. Okay? So, apat na bases i-multiply yung 2. So, that is 16. Equivalent of 16. So, ito yung base. Exponents ay 4 equals 16. Okay? Bali, 2 raised to 4th power equals 16. Okay, number 2. Example. Let's have log of 7. Log of 7 of 1 equals 0. Okay? So, equivalent nito sa kanyang exponential form ay yung base ay yung 7. Then, the exponent is 0 equals 1. So, take note, any number raised to 0 exponents is always equals 1. Okay? Number 3 example. So, let's have log of 1/4 of 4 equals negative 1. So, ang exponential form niya dito ay ang ating base ay 1/4. Then, yung kanyang exponent ay negative 1 equals 4. Okay? Ganyan lang po ang pag-transform ng exponential form. So, logarithmic equation to exponential form. Kaya ngayon, kung mayroon kayong natutunan, huwag kalimutan pindutin ang like, at kung bago ka lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan pindutin ang subscribe, maging ang bell notification upang ikaw ay laging naka-update sa mga bagong video na i-upload sa aking channel na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.